Hi everybody, let's solve the May Leetcode challenge, and the problem is odd even in linked list. So given a single linked list, group all odd nodes together followed by even nodes. Please note that here we are talking about the node number and not the node values. You should try to do in place, and the program should run in O1 time complex space complexity and O of n time is complexity. So we are given a linked list which 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and null. So the 1, 3 and 5 are on odd places, and 2 and 4 node is on the even places. So the answer is like all the odd node first 1, 3, 5, and then followed by even place node 2, 4 and the null. Similarly here odd 2, then 3, then 6, then 7, 2, 3, 6, 7, then 1, 5 and 4, 1, 5 and 4 followed by null. So this is the expected. So let me draw how we can solve this. So we have a linked list 1 node, 2 node, then 3 node, then 4 node, then 5 node, then the null node. So here we have this linked list, and so we have had here at the starting node had, and we need to follow like odd 1 2, then next odd is 3, then next odd place is this 5 node 5, and similarly for even place node we have starting here at 2, then 4, then 5. So what we can do for solving this, we can segregate out odd place node in one list and even place node in the another list. So this is our odd place nodes and this is our even place node. So we will segregate them. So odd node here and the even place node here. So odd and even, then we continue to append this odd place list with the odd nodes and even place node list with the even place node. So here we will get first as 1, then we will get here 3, then we will get 5, and in our even place node we will get first 2, and then we will get 4 and end with null. So once we get odd place node and even place node list, we will in the end we will append this list with the this list, so we will get expected answer. But so let's start the implementation of this problem. So we will check the base case first. If had itself null, or had dot next, like we have only two nodes in our list, so we it's already odd even place. If odd dot next is null, then we simply return the had here. Otherwise we will create list node which is our even, which is had dot next, and we also need a one pointer for odd place node odd, which is our had starting from the had, and we also need to maintain to keep the had even place node had in the starting, so that we in the end we will append that even place had which is even, and we will use the while loop to iterate all the nodes in our list. So if even is not, and the termination condition even is not null, and even dot next not equals to null, then we will start to append like first odd node we already assign here, then we need to find out the next odd node, which is like for example here in our list currently we started odd here, this is the order and this one is our even. So odd and even. So for next odd we have 3, so how we can get odd, next odd is odd dot next dot next. So here we will get next odd, or next is odd dot next is odd dot next dot next. Similarly for even dot next we will get from even dot next dot next. and then in the end we will update our odd to odd.next and even with even.next. In the end we will append odd.next with even head. So this will done. Then in the end we will return head because we are keeping track. Starting node is always head. Let's try to run this code. This is going running. So expected, let's check the diff, accepted what, and same. Let's try to run the second test case and few other test cases. So we have 2 1 3 5 6 7. Let me create my own test cases here with like appending one more 6 here, and check the empty list, check the list with one node, check the list with two nodes, check the list with 1 3 2. So this is all the base cases I'm trying to cover in my custom test cases and running this code. Let's see the diff. We are getting correct answer. Let's try to submit it. So this is like accepted. So let's get the time complexity. So time complexity, what we are doing, we are iterating whole list from 1 to 0 node, like first node to last node. So the time complexity of this solution is just simply time complexity, just let's say number of nodes, O of n number of nodes, and space complexity we are not just using constant, so it's constant O of 1. Okay, thank you. If you like my solution, please hit like and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for upcoming new videos.